Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. English conversation between two friends. Eating out versus cooking at home. Hey, do you feel like going out to eat tonight?
I was actually thinking of cooking at home. What do you think?
Going out sounds more fun to me. Less hassle, you know.
True, but cooking at home can be so satisfying.
Yeah, but eating out means no dishes to clean.
That's a good point. But when you cook, you get to control what goes into the food.
Very true. But I like trying new dishes at restaurants.
You could try new recipes at home, too.
I guess, but it takes a lot of effort.
Yeah, but it's cheaper, especially if you cook for a few days.
True. Eating out can get pricey fast.
Exactly. And you can make healthier choices at home.
That's true. Sometimes restaurant food is a bit greasy.
Yes. Cooking at home lets you cut down on oil and salt.
Good point. But sometimes it's just more convenient to eat out.
Definitely. Eating out saves a lot of time.
Especially on busy days. Cooking takes a lot of planning.
True, but once you get the hang of it, it's not so bad.
I suppose. But I'm not the best cook, you know.
That's okay. Practice makes perfect.
Maybe. But I enjoy the variety of restaurant menus.
That's fair. At home, you need to plan for variety.
Yeah. And I enjoy the atmosphere at restaurants.
I get that. A nice setting does make a difference.
Right? Plus, you get to dress up a bit.
True, but sometimes staying in and cooking is relaxing.
I suppose. But I like trying exotic foods, too.
You can experiment with exotic recipes at home.
That's not a bad idea. But it's hard to find some ingredients.
True, but it's worth the hunt sometimes.
Maybe. But cooking feels like a lot of work after a long day.
I totally get it. But some recipes are pretty quick.
That's true. I guess pasta and salads are pretty fast.
Exactly. And they're healthy, too.
Healthy, yes, but sometimes I crave a good burger.
Fair enough. Burgers are harder to replicate at home.
Exactly. Plus, I don't want my house smelling like food.
That's a good point. Some dishes do linger.
And when you eat out, you can just leave the mess behind.
True, but at home, you can have leftovers for the next day.
That's a benefit, for sure. But leftovers can get boring.
Only if you don't get creative with them.
I hadn't thought of that. What's your favorite thing to cook?
I love making stir-fries. They're quick and tasty.
That sounds good. Maybe I should try it.
You totally should. What do you enjoy most about eating out?
Probably the experience. I like the vibe and new flavors.
I get that. It's nice to take a break sometimes.
Exactly. And some foods taste better at a restaurant.
True. Some dishes are really hard to make at home.
Yeah, like sushi. It's so much work to make it yourself.
Agreed. Sushi is best left to the professionals.
Right? And it's fun to go out with friends, too.
Definitely. Dining out can be very social.
But cooking together at home could be fun, too.
Yes. It could turn into a fun little dinner party.
That sounds nice. Maybe we should try it sometime.
Absolutely. I'll bring the ingredients.
I'll bring dessert. Let's make it a plan.
Perfect. And it'll be way cheaper than eating out.
True. Plus, it's always nice to try cooking something new.
Exactly. Cooking can be a bonding experience.
Okay, you're convincing me. Maybe I'll cook more at home.
Great. You'll see, it's pretty rewarding.
I guess it could be. Do you cook most nights?
I try to. It saves money and keeps me healthy.
Good habits. Maybe I'll start with simple recipes.
That's the way to go. Simple can be very tasty.
I'll have to get some tips from you.
Anytime. It's really not as hard as it seems.
All right, maybe I'll give it a go this week.
Awesome. Let me know how it goes.
Will do. But I'm still up for eating out sometimes.
Same here. Balance is key.
Agreed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.